Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create an Alibaba account. I've done the short of this years ago, but I want to do like a detailed video today how you can create an Alibaba account. Yes, now this, when you download Alibaba account, well, now you can actually download your Alibaba account from your Play Store or from your App Store. So when you download your Alibaba account and you tap on it, it will want you to sign in. This is a new account. Okay, like I want to create a new account for this video. Now this is how it will be without like any form of identification, no owner of this account. Now this is going to be, if you look down, you will see home, category, messenger, cart, my Alibaba. Yeah, so I am going to type on my Alibaba. Now when you type on my Alibaba, up here you will see sign in. Okay, you will see sign in. Tap on it. It will ask you, how do you want to sign in? Do you want to use your Facebook, Google, email, Apple? I am going to use Google. Okay, so I will tap on continue with Google. It's brought out this particular email account. If I want to use another one, I'm going to choose another one, but I'm going to go with this. I'll tap on continue, and just like that, it's going to sign in. So it said I should create a passkey. I will skip for now. I'm not doing this now. Now this is my account. Can you see it? This is my account. So you can see it's telling me to update shipping destination to Nigeria, blah blah blah. I'll be showing you in another video how to impute your shipping fee, like how to impute your shipping address into your Alibaba account. But this is how to create an account with Alibaba. Now what are you using Alibaba for? I'm going to for sourcing my, either you source for a business or for personal purchases. Let me say, okay, let me just tap on personal purchases. It's the same thing, there's no difference at all. Yeah, that is it. Now we've opened an account. You can see my name is showing there. Now to put in some things, there are some things you have to put in. You tap on this place, like here, that's it's supposed to show like your profile picture. You tap on it, then it will bring you to this place. Now when you get here, you're going to see this place. Now you can put in your phone number. Now it will send a mail, like it will send a code to my mail. That's what it's telling me. Give me. So I'm just going to put it in. So my phone number, I'm going to choose my country, which is Nigeria. I'm going to scroll till I see Nigeria. Tap on Nigeria and input my phone number. So a verification code will be sent to my phone number. You can see it's sent to my phone number. Now my phone number is there, it has been verified. So these are the important things you need to open your Alibaba account. If you want to connect other things like your Facebook and other things, no problem, you can connect it. But these are the important things you need to open an account. If you want to put in your picture, you can tap on this particular place and allow full access and put in any picture of your choice. Let me see if I will see a photo of myself too. Okay, this is how to just put your picture there, and that is it. That is how to create an Alibaba account.